Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over a little bit of technical analysis on a couple of stocks that we talk about on the channel. And in particular, we're going to talk about Amazon first, and then we're going to talk about Zion Oil and Gas second, and then we'll take a look at Tesla also, because some big news came out on Tesla just yesterday that I could see it moving and kind of testing that 200 mark once again. So we'll take a look at that. So just to reiterate, guys, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in the video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. Hit the notification bell, that way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So here we go, guys. We are going to take a look at Amazon. As you know here, I've been eyeing this one for an option. Again, after the last one that I had, made about 41 or 42%, something like that. The last option I did on a call option. And I'm eyeing it here to see exactly how it acts today, and potentially do a put option. Let me tell you why. And because it is currently overextended, overvalued, especially if it pokes its head up a little bit here, I will do a put option with a shorter expiration date, probably about a 7-day expiration date, which is a little bit more risky. However, 1 or 2 bad days in the market could send it testing that 100, and I don't have to hold until there. But that's what I'm kind of eyeing on the next put option there. As far as swing play is concerned, I'm going to be cashing out my shares this morning because I'm up on my swing play now roughly about 3%, and we are overextended, which usually signals a move to the downside, at least temporarily. So I will take it out there, look to re-enter at about 108 to 110, and if it holds, around that 108 to 110 area, I'll look to hold there. So that's what's going on in my world with Amazon. So Zion Oil and Gas, the fib levels did, remember I was telling you how they were going to update, and the price point was going to be lower as far as the tip top price point, and now it is 23 cents. Okay, 23 cents is your overall tip top on the fib level. Seems to be holding around this level here, about 8.5 cents. We did catch a buy signal. However, we know this stock that can change in an instant. It doesn't necessarily stay there. But now this is an interesting swing play for those of you who are looking to get in for a swing play. As you see here, setting up pretty nice as far as on the MACD indicator. It's about to cross over from red to green. We just need some volume to push it back up. And if it does come all the way back up, I would say about 10 to 10.5 cents would be where I would look to exit, unless they come out with some type of news, because we were talking about the potential of a cup and handle pattern forming. Looks like here we're holding right in the middle where we need to be, so it should springboard it a little bit higher up. However, with again, no news of an extension, eventually it'll probably just come right back down, or even lower potentially. I did email them again, and typically whenever I get frustrated in email, for some reason it just kind of works out to where we get updates not long after that. Definitely a coincidence, because I know they don't know who I am, but I did pretty much yell at them yesterday over email, and so I'm hoping that we can get some type of update. But I kind of figure, honestly, I think what's going to happen is that they're just going to let this thing ride out until the annual shareholder meeting, and one or two things. It's going to stay where it's at. It's going to run up on speculation and fall down again for the annual shareholder meeting, or it's just going to not do anything or keep falling, and then hopefully they announce an extension and we start moving up. But it's risky business at this point with Zion Oil and Gas, as it has been for quite some time, really probably always, but more so now, because you just don't know what's going on, of course, with their extension and everything. So Tesla here, guys, they announced that Twitter's going to have a new CEO, and so the Twitter overhang for at least a little bit is, I think the market's going to see this as bullish. Obviously, as you see, 2 big buy signals here. I think we're going to blow past this 182.74 level, and I think that we're going to retest this to at least 200 to 205 level. So very interested and curious to see how it comes out today. And of course, it is a little higher up here on the RSI level, which is typically, I don't like to buy here. I would much rather buy when it's down here. That way you can ride the wave to the upside. So anyway, guys, just want to provide you that update on a few of the stocks that we talk about on the channel. give you some technical analysis, my thoughts and my plans. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.